I enrolled in it because I knew there was good money in it. I enjoyed doing hands-on stuff and heard from a few people that it was something that I could be interested in, so I enrolled it, and then I enjoy it pretty well now. We got these houses that we got set up in the shop out there. I enjoy working in that with our team. We get 2 or 3 people in there and start wiring out a house. I enjoy doing that pretty well. You get in there and you hang up boxes, run your wire out outlets, lights, switches, stuff like that. It's really booming right now with job opportunities and things to do outside of it once you graduate from here. And I personally plan on continuing on as a high lineman. You could be a lineman, you could continue on as a commercial electrician, having your own business with your name on the side of the truck and having people under you. You could go work for somebody for a little bit. You could continue on in residential, working for big companies, wiring out their places. Anything that has electricity, you can go on and branch out to it. There's a lot of different branches from this class going afterwards.